Hello guys, welcome to day 18 of 60 Paisa, the 60-day program on Amazon by Indian Civil Academy. I am Dev and I welcome you to day 18 where we are going to talk about the paid product research methods. Now if you have watched the previous sessions, you might know that we have covered the free methods in the last two deep dives of product research. Today we are going to cover the paid methods and we are going to talk specifically about Helium 10. In our previous session, we spoke about the touch method, the Amazon's bestsellers and lazy browser method, hobbies method, different social media platforms where you can utilize and find good products, different B2B websites like IndiaMart, Alibaba, and different marketplaces like AliExpress, Flipkart, etc. Right? So today, as I mentioned, we are going to cover on the paid methods, and these are via paid tools. One such tool is called Helium 10, which is what you see here, right? And Helium 10 is a suite of tools. As you can see here, there are different tools for product research, listing optimization, analytics, keyword research, and again, it comes with a free course as well on how you can best utilize this particular tool, right? So as you can see here, for Helium 10, there's a particular section called product research, which has black box, Trendster, and my list, which you basically you can shortlist your products and keep track of it, right? The most common one and the most important one is black box, and that is what we are going to cover in this particular section. Now what you have to do before using the tool is make sure that you're using Amazon.in marketplace, right? If you're looking for the in marketplace, that's what you want to keep. Otherwise it also supports .com, Mexico, Germany, and different marketplaces as well. Okay, now there are there are 5 ways basically you can do product research on Helium 10. Products, where you can search directly for products. The second one is keywords, where you can basically say, okay, give me the hot selling or hot more searched volume keywords, right? What are the keywords that people search the most, right? So that is in terms of keywords. Competitors will basically give you the other variants or other competitors products that you are looking for. So let's say for example you are looking to sell a neck pillow and you have the ASIN of the particular product on Amazon. You can paste in that ASIN and then you will get the list of competitors for that particular product. Niche is where you type in a particular market or niche, and then it will give you the particular products related to a particular niche, right? So we will get started and we will start with products, right? We will start with keywords. And what we want to do here is we want to say, okay, give me all the products in a particular category which has more than, let's say, 6,000 keyword searches per month, right? So what I will say is I will say the search volume, and this is in the previous 30 days. I would say, okay, keep it as 6,000 search volumes, and then the price, as I mentioned in the product research criteria, the first day that we covered product research, the minimum price should be $7.99, and we will not tweak a lot with the review count, although it should be 1,000, but again we want to see as many products as possible for now. And then let's choose a particular category for this particular use case. Let me choose bags, wallets, and luggage, and yes, that is good enough. We will not specify a BSR as well. As of now, we want as many products to be sourced and provided to us, and then we will refine it by reviews, by BSRs, etc. So let me click on research and let's see what are the results that come. And again, I'm doing this, it's not that I'm prepared for this particular keyword or this particular category. This is just random ad hoc searches that I'm going while I'm recording this video as well. So here you can see we have Safari trolley bags, which are like normal, bags which we go for traveling, we carry it. And it has a good review point, has a good monthly revenue of 17 lakh. And this is the best advantage of this tool, right? It gives you a lot of statistics. And as I mentioned, data is a lot. It has a very good price point of 6,000, has monthly sales of 400, and search volume of 7,000, and monthly revenue you can see 17 lakhs per month. The BSR is also less than 5,000, which is fitting within a particular criteria, although it is from Safari company, which is like a well-established brand. But again, if you think about creating your own product, which is an outsourced product, and you can private label it, you can definitely compete with this number as well. Again, Puma mask, and this might be a face mask. Now in case you like any particular product and you want to check in Amazon what that particular product is, what you can do is you can just click on these 3 dots and click on view on Amazon, and then you will be able to see the particular product. So as you can see, this has given a lot of different products for you, and you can scroll through and there are a total of 121 products. So these are in terms of keyword search volume. Now again, VIP bags, and within bags you will see a lot of private label brands, and then if you want to remove those private label brands, what you can do is you can just type in here in keyword search as to exclude these keywords. So here you can type in Puma, Safari, and those will not flow in. So you will only get brands which are generic, which are private label, which can be brandable products, which can be brandable, right? So again, I would say go through each of those and check and see, even for backpacks, even though Wildcraft is one of the premier companies, you will still be able to private label it and create your own version of a very good product. So this tells you in terms of demand, in terms of reviews, what are the monthly revenues that you can get, what are the monthly number of sales that you can achieve. Again, if I have to do this for a different category, let's try home improvement, and then let's click on search. Let's quickly see what results do we get. And this is in terms of keywords, right? Again, we will go to products where we will directly be shown products which are doing good, and stairs for home, wood cutter, and these are, let me show one on Amazon. So when I search wood cutter, again, these are tools like this, right? And these are tools which are sharp. You will not be able to sell it on FBA, but again, you can, if you're a seller fulfilled Prime, you can definitely sell it there. Now again, bathroom accessories is a very good niche, and if I just go on there and search, you will find different kind of wardrobe hangers, these organizers and all those things. So it's a very good niche, and I've explored that niche personally as well. So yes, a very good way of finding good products. Tells you the demand, tells you the revenue margin, and definitely tells you the market capitalization as well. Now we will go and explore the second method, which is finding products, right? And I'll switch the tabs in Helium 10, and what you can do is here, if you click on advanced filters, you will see that it's slightly different to what we had in keywords. In keywords, we specified that it should be minimum of 6,000 monthly searches. Here we will say, okay, the price is, let's say, $7.99, which is the same as what we want, but here we are going to sell that the product on Amazon should be at least be sold on Amazon for more than 300 units, right? The minimum order on a monthly basis should be more than 300. And what I will do is we will choose a particular category. Let's say in this particular case, I choose sports, right? And again, we will set, let's say, the review count, we can leave it as such. BSR this time we will set it to 3000, which is an ideal one for sports. Okay, now let me click on search very quickly, and we will see the list of products on Amazon that are doing very well. Okay, there we go. And in this case, it also comes with a image, because it's a particular product on Amazon. It's not that we have given a generic keyword. It's a particular product. Now if you can see this particular badminton racket and set, it's a bundled product which gives you the cock and all those things, but it is from a company Yonex, and that's why it's it's doing very well. It has a revenue of 18 lakhs per month, which is huge. Bestsellers rank of 332 and a healthy price point as well. These are gym balls for exercise and balancing and all those things. Generic category Fitzy. Again, Fitzy is not a very popular brand. It's not a brand that everyone knows about. A good price point of 799 and is doing 3 lakhs in sales every month. Similarly, these are the different products, and you got the idea, right? And in case if you are liking, or if in case you want to check a particular product on Amazon, you can just click on the three dots and go to the product on my page on Amazon, right? So that's how you can do it, and you will get all the information related to a particular product here in terms of the category, the brand, the seller, the fulfillment method, the weight, dimensions, everything, how long they have been selling, what is the last year sales, what is the year over year sales, is the demand increased, is the demand decreased every 90 days. So it's a very good tool to give you a lot of data points in a very quick manner, right? It hardly took 2 seconds, and it has given us more than 200 products that are selling for more than 300 units every month, which is priced more than 799. So this is method number 2, and it's basically searching using the black box tool on Helium 10 by the products tab. Okay, and you can definitely tweak a lot of different factors. You can definitely exclude brands. So in case here you want to exclude Yonex, you can just type in Yonex and do the search again, and this particular, this thing would go away, this particular listing. The last method that I want to cover, and competitors or product targeting are very weak, I do not like them very much, but I'm definitely going to cover niche, which is very important. And here if you say it's similar to the hobbies list of Wikipedia that we covered yesterday, right? So let me quickly cover that hobbies list Wikipedia, and this basically gives us the list of niches, right? And if you see here, and let me choose any particular niche here. Let's say if I choose meditation, right? And if I search on Amazon, let's say I search meditation as a niche, and then let's say I choose the price point should be this much, and here I will choose again, because meditation is related to health and personal care at home and kitchen, and let's say also home improvement. I will choose these three categories. In the advanced filters, I will keep it as such. I will not provide any number of monthly sales, because here we are looking for different products within a particular niche. Or let me choose bare minimum monthly sales of 100 units, and then click on search, and let's see what do we get. Okay, I guess for meditation they do not have a particular niche. Let me choose yoga, that might give me some insights, or meditation might be in fitness. I did not choose fitness, right? So yeah, let me try with this again. Let me search meditation once more. Okay, let's see if again, no, we have not got anything. Okay, let me try with yoga, and as I mentioned, right, I'm doing this right in front of you. It's not pre-planned, so that is why I am not sure if this would work or not. Yes, for yoga we can find that it's a niche product, and we have different products like yoga mat, and these are different yoga mats that you can see, and you can think and customize it as per your design. As you can see, they have their logo there, which is a private label product. This is the bundle product, and it's providing a few different things as well: yoga mat plus yoga strap plus storage bag. So definitely you can explore this. You can also search for something like art, and if I click on search here, you can check that there will be a lot of different products related to art. And if you remember this particular product, we had spoken about it in great detail in our free sessions as well. And so many different products as well in terms of art, right? So in case you are looking to a particular niche, just go to hobbies page, choose the particular hobby that you want to type, and then search it in niche and fill in the criteria, and you will definitely get a lot of products similar to that. As you can see, this particular pencil set or sketch set has a revenue of more than 23 lakhs per month, good price point, good monthly sales, and the reviews are also not too much for to us to beat, right? So that's all for now. And again, Helium 10 has a lot of different tools as well. We have listing optimization, which we'll cover in the listing section as well, and we will also cover keyword research in the keyword research sessions as well. For product research, these are the ones that I wanted to cover. Thank you guys, and we will see you again tomorrow at 10 p.m. on YouTube and 10:30 p.m. on Instagram today. See you. Bye bye guys.